going on, guys? Back again with another video. We are gonna be putting the rims on, test fitting them, putting these two on this side, see how it looks, guys. So we still have to do that, guys. I still haven't gotten to open this one, but I guess I'll go get a knife and we'll go open this one, guys, and we'll test fit them. Okay, I did just cut it open, so gonna see. Hopefully it didn't damage it, because I don't like how that was there, but I don't think it really went through. But as you can see, there is the wheel, the rim, and woo! As you can see, there's that one just to the side. That's the one I opened yesterday, so as you can see, they're flawless. So we're gonna be opening that and taking those ones off, guys, and we'll see how they look, guys. Okay, guys, we do got this side picked up. I don't really need it this high picked up. It is off the ground on this side, but I'm gonna have to lower the car when I do put those rims. So the only thing right now that's stopping me, see if you can see, if you look under the car, that is gonna be scraping the exhaust cutout. For y'all that didn't know I had one, I do have one. So hurry and loosen these wheels. So right now all I'm gonna do is just take them off and be fitting those, the XXRs. See how they look. I know they're gonna look pretty good, but y'all are probably saying just be quiet and put the rims now. So we're gonna go ahead and take them off right now, guys. So start with this one and work our way around, but I know they're gonna look pretty good. I still haven't decided what tire size I'm gonna go. I was gonna go with some tire brands, but honestly they told me if I get the regular ones by Ironman, I'm gonna be paying like $88. So right now I would like Sn95. It's good tire and stuff, but honestly it's just name. This car doesn't hook or anything. It's not a fast car. It's not going anywhere, so don't think I'm not getting good tires just because I don't want to. I do want to, but honestly this car's not this is not a 5.0 or anything like that. So right now it's just looks, but like I said, I am gonna be putting an engine in this Mustang pretty soon, but for now it's just looks, guys. So like I said, so I'm not gonna go with anything fancy. I'm just gonna get some good tires to go. I haven't decided on the tire size, but like I said, I would like to get some of those tires. But right now, as you can see, I got those on my truck. I got Nitos, but for now we're just gonna go with probably the Ironmans right now. But honestly, this wheel is probably off already, and that one's off. So now gotta be careful, my hands are all dirty doing this one's. Ooh, shiny. It's really gonna look good. So let me just, I'm gonna grab it with the paper, but I'm gonna have to use both of my hands. I don't want to scratch them or anything, guys, so we'll go from there. Let me just put it on. I'll catch y'all back. Okay, guys, y'all want to see the final product? I swear if I had the tires right now, the car would be low, even stock height, it would be clean, guys. But for now I'm gonna take those off and we'll go from there, guys. But as you can see, 17s by 9, as you can see. But for now I'm gonna have to use something else for this one, guys, but because some of them are hard to get to, as you can see. But we'll go from there, guys. Here's the back one, guys. Here's the front. Here's the back, guys. As you can see how it looks meaner already. Can't wait to get some tires on this, guys. But check this out, guys. Way better. And the other ones, people were telling me to get adapters, spacers, and I was like, nah, I don't trust those things. I seen a lot of people use them on Duramax, but you know, it's not my thing. But here's the back. It's gonna look way better. As you can see, it's gonna look way fatter tire, so that was the test fit, guys. Comment down below, do you like this ones? I was gonna go with some racing star ones that the new Mustangs have. Honestly, right now, I'm not really doing speed stuff on this car yet. That is on my blue Accord. As you can see, that one is getting, hopefully gonna get built. Hopefully by the end of this year, I'll be running some good numbers. We'll see about that. I still need to take off the engine for that one, but I know y'all don't want to see that one in this video. Y'all want to see this one. So y'all could see, looks way nicer. And I'm gonna give you a little run. Okay guys, I hope y'all like that little clip, but for now, that's all I got. I was just test fitting the wheels. Probably not gonna get them this week, hopefully next week, guys. Stay tuned for that, guys. Can't wait until the wheels are put on the Mustang. Stay tuned for that, guys. But this is all I got for this video. I was just test fitting them, so we'll see what goes from there, guys. But if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and respect our builds, guys. Thanks for watching, guys.